Okay, come on, let me talk. Come on, let me talk. Give my phone. You be fool, oh.
Okay.
See, you don't get respect, oh. This work when they see so. I heard it from my papa. My papa heard it from your papa. Now you come here to molest me. You don't get respect for grace, oh. Which phone? You bring phone here since 3 years. First year pass, second year pass, third year. They robbed me yesterday. You come today. Okay, you a criminal.
Which kind of you know that I travel or something happened to me? Why you talk like that?
Wait, oh. Okay, wait, oh. When you bring this phone to me, answer me. I tell you, send a phone more charity.
No, you don't tell
you.
me.
When you bring this phone, what did I tell you? You tell me so that they repair phone. Thank you. Then you bring phone first year. Well, first year when I know see for the first year, I say okay, oh, maybe this my customer travel. Second year, now I conclude say this one don't die. I don't even want you. You calm down now. You calm down. If na you, give person phone to repair. 3 years, first year, second year, third year. December where even people wey don die and people wey dey live dey celebrate. You no fit come. You dey come here they don rob me. Oga na compensate I go compensate you.
I have compensate you now.
You go need come back after 2 years.
Okay. Shey if you say 2 years, I go go, I go come back. I go go, I go come back. Shey you? No wahala.
Papa, yeah. Oga, they talk to you now.
No be that they talk.
Oga, see phone wey you sell for me no good now.
Wait up! No my phone be this one.
I want to collect my money. I beg, give my money.
Okay, no my phone be this one.
When I want to explain it,
my head will be phone you sell for me. I beg, give me my money.
Yeah. Phone why they talk about now be this one.
Hey!